They will eventually break through the windows.
I'll take it.
Did you not see the link I sent from Doc? You can't break through the windows.
Yeah, he heard it! He's running! You missed!
It's okay. You're running out of the truck. You just find the next target and...
Look, they shot him
that did
up.
a lot of damage.
They shot him through the window, his side window. That's the only, like, not super armored part. Are you going for the loadout?
Yeah. Ow. Being shot at.
Pick the truck,
I'll
pick the
try.
truck.
Back in he goes!
Oh yeah. Ugh. Hey, that fucking chopper's trying to shoot at me.
Oh, oh! Truck battles!
There's 4 trucks in total!
One of them got out. Enemy personal radar in the air.
You downed another!
You gotta get in the truck.
Get all their loot, dude!
Yeah, you should. And he has self-revive. One of them's still down.
No, that was a team wipe. All 3 died fully.
No, he was still on the truck. He was down, I swear to God.
Where?
No, it was a full wipe.
Enemy personal radar
He got
in
3
the air.
kills on the record.
Look, I'm paranoid.
Oh my god, she's about to blow up.
In.
It was about to blow up. That one's about to blow up. I had to get out.
You killed the whole team! They were running the convoy.
Dude, there's armor plates and everything there that you didn't end up being able to get.
They're chasing you. This is a fucking speed chase on the highway. Oh my god, dude. That thing can go fucking vertical. If they get out, go back in the truck. Go back in the truck. Go back in the truck. They're out.
Ellie, get in the Ellie.
No, I tried. I was gonna take it from them.
And that is the power of armored trucks. That's why we should use them.
That's why they were running a convoy, but they managed to get outwitted by
Fuck, dude,
one.
I should have saved that clip of me killing those fools.
That was
Wait, so that team that